Who among the following has attained the universal ethical principle orientation? A. A teacher who wants to impress the administrators. B. A teacher who is obedient to the rules of the school. C. A teacher who tries to figure out what benefit can he get from initiating a project for the students. Or D. A retired teacher who eventually develop her own set of moral guidelines. Ang tamang sagot po natin is none other than it's letter D. A retired teacher who eventually develop her own set of moral guidelines. Di ba sabi ko nga po, nandun ka na sa universal ethical principle kapag ikaw na yung gumawa ng sarili mong moral guidelines. Madalas ang ginagawa sa society, kung sino yung mga naka-attain nito, ginagawan ng libro. Mapapansin nyo yan, no? Parang sino yung mga pinaka-moral na tao, sila yung ginagawa ng libro kasi because they are setting what is good. They are setting what is the right thing to do.